Hello everybody, this is the Wanderer, and behind me I've got this little stand, and it's a little wobbly here, so I'm thinking of doing a little restoration. Let's see, behind here there used to be a little board, and there's glue here, so I'm gonna have to remove all the old glue. And I see here that there's a little wear, so that might need a little touch up there. I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to do this. I'm thinking of either putting some little wooden brackets, triangles in the back here. I also have I may or I may not. I have I found a wooden board, a blackboard. Let's see. This is used for that, so I may just cut that to size and then either glue or screw it or nail it on there. So it'd be a simple little restoration here, and we can use it in one of the bedrooms. Just put a lamp on top of it. Well, let me see what I can do. Okay, I've already I sanded this a little bit. I put some newspaper and some masking tape to protect everything else. So all I'm going to do is just spray a little black gloss spray paint on here, and see how that goes. Might as well do the entire side. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to do, and then let it dry out. We decided not to put the back on here because so that we can put larger items all the way through. And once I tightened up the screws, they seem pretty stable. So we'll see how that goes. That may be all we need to do. Okay, here is the nightstand, and it looks nice. The black paint came out well. I brought it upstairs to this guest bedroom. We're in the process of rearranging it, so it looks like a mess right now. But we're going to put this on a corner and then put the bed to the side of it, so it should be very functional. And that finishes this little project. Thank you for watching.